boys and girls, Miss Bear is coming to you this evening. We're going to talk about our numbers. Now, we've been practicing lots of movement and counting one by one using our cubes, using our dot cubes. And tonight we're going to talk about the numbers 1 to 4. And I've got a little game to play with you tonight. So as you can see on my screen, I've got some ice cream cones because ice creams are my favorite. However, in the top of the ice cream cone, that scoop up ice cream that's going to go on top of the cone, there's different pictures representing those numbers. So let me show you what we're going to do. Let's talk about this ice cream cone right here. I see 1, 2, 3 cubes inside that ice cream scoop. So I need to put this ice cream scoop on top of a cone. I need to find out which one is going to match. Let me think in my head. How many cubes did we count? Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to drag my ice cream scoop and I'm going to put it on top of my number 3 because there are 3 cubes in that ice cream scoop that I stuck on top of my cone. Pretty easy game, right? Let's see if we can do the next one. All right, let's count the number of stars. Count them with me. 1, 2. So let's get that number stuck in our head. How many stars did I have? That's right, there's 2. So I'm going to stick it on top of the cone that has what number in it? Great job, the number 2. So I'm going to drag my stars over to my number 2 cube, or not my number 2 cone, and I'm going to drop it right there on top. So now my number 2 ice cream cone has a scoop on top with 2 stars. Let's go to the next one. I see a dot cube. How many dots are in that dot cube? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So where am I going to stick this scoop? That's right. I'm going to stick it on top of the cone with the number 3 in it. So I'm going to slide it over. And look, my number 3 cone now has 2 scoops on it. He's full. I don't have any more boxes to put my ice cream scoops in. So I know my number 3 is done. Ooh, look at these fish. Let's count those fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. What ice cream cone am I going to stick this one on top of? That's right. We're going to stick it on top of the number 4. So I'm not dragging me. I'm going to drag me over to the other side. And I'm going to move my fish over to my scoop number 4. My scoop on top of cone number 4, I should say. All right. Let's count these fingers that I see sticking up. Ooh, I can make those fingers on my hand. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers am I holding up? That's right, 4. So I'm going to drag this scoop on top of cone number 4. There we go. Oh, I see the magic school bus. How many dots are inside the tens frame on that school bus? Let's count them. 1, 2. So I'm going to slide this bus where? To cone number 2. I'm going to stick him right on top. Now my cone number 2, 3, and 4 are all full. So I guess these are going to go onto cone number 1. I see 1 cube and I see 1 finger. Thank you guys so much for helping me count my numbers 1 to 4. Now you guys work on numbers 1 to 4 all by yourself. Have a good night.